I am so happy with this planter. I've been needing a new plant stand, and when I saw this one, I decided it would be the one for me. All the parts are very simple, not too much assembly at all, which is a plus for me. Came with the screwdriver that you need and all the pieces. I'm assembly challenged, but I actually found this to be fun to put together because there were only a few steps and it made me feel like I was involved. All set with that final screw to hold it together. And as sturdy as it is, it's also lightweight. I think it looks good right here in my plant area, and I like the fact that the bottom shelf is tall enough for a big plant. That was a challenge I had with some other brands. Top is big enough to hold 2 plants or 1 plant. You know, I like the ability to move them around. Oh, it looks really nice here. Love the look of this. But then I read that it is completely rust resistant and suitable for outdoor use as well. So I went ahead and got another one so that I could put it outside and still enjoy this one inside, because I love having coffee on my front porch, and I thought, wouldn't it be nice to showcase a few of my favorite plants right here? And it looks stunning, and I don't have to worry about it because it is suitable for outdoors just as it was for indoors. Overall, this was a great purchase. I mean, 2 purchases.